Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
MashaAllah, Sister Bilqis, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, Ustad, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Sister Bilqis, are you ready for Ijra?
Inshallah, Ustad.
Alhamdulillah, today we are starting Surah Al-Mutaffifin. Okay, can you start please?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Yes.
Fala line Ustad.
Ayah number 1.
1. Wow.
First recite Ayah.
जी wailul lil mutaffifin.
Wailul lil. Here is a three lam. Make clear please.
Wailul lil mutaffifin.
MashaAllah, well done. Okay, now you can do Ijra.
Wow, ya zabar way. Lam dui pesh lul. Wailul. Lam zer lil. Wailul lil. Mim pesh mu. Ta fa zabar taf. Mutaf. Fa zer fi. Mutaffi. Fa ya zer fi. Nun zabar na. Mutaffifina.
Wailul lil mutaffifina.
जी wailul lil mutaffifina.
MashaAllah, if you're stopping then
Wailul lil mutaffifin.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Sister Bilqis, Alhamdulillah, your practice is very, very good, MashaAllah. Now your reciting is very good, Alhamdulillah. Continue your practice.